Good afternoon, once more, good afternoon. As I said before, we are dealing with fractions, and this is brec.tv online. And I'm your teacher, Kisiki Chaiwani. Get me on social medias. You can get me on Facebook, Kisiki Chaiwani, Instagram, Kisiki Chaiwani, and on YouTube, brec.tv online. What do? You go to YouTube, write brec.tv online, you'll get me, and you will find a lot of uploaded videos on topics of grade 4 and 5. Today we are going to discuss what I've just written on the board. That is what we call subtraction of fractions. We have talked about addition of fraction, mixed fraction, proper fractions. We have talked about a whole number and a fraction, a whole number and a mixed fraction. But today we are talking about subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. Look at question number 1. It is 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. This is a proper fraction, How are we going to do it? We are going to learn the subtraction of this and also this mixed fraction so that we finish it together and I give you extra one. Start. What do? We are going to say solution, that is solution. The solution to number 1 is this. The solution to number 1 is this. You take 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. You take 3 over 4 minus 3 over 2 over 3. But you remember I said that we are going to use multiplication method. So the way we did on addition, we are also going to apply this, but it is subtraction. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply the denominators. We are going to multiply the denominators. That is 4 times 3. 4 times 3. That is 4 times 3. Now, 4 times 3 comes to be 12. Or let me write it 4 times 3. Over there. Then we are going to have 3 times 3. We are going to have 3 times 3. That is 3 times 3. Over there. Then we are going to have 4 times 2. But remember, it is subtraction. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. What are we going to have to get? Now we are going to get here 3 times 3. We are going to get 9. Make that line. Minus 4 times 2. That is 8. Over there. Then we are going to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. Now, what are we going to get? 9 minus 8 is 1, and here you get 12. So, what is your answer? Your answer is 1 over 12. But how did we reach that answer 1 over 12? We reached that answer 1 over 12 by taking 4 times 3. You multiply the denominators. After multiplying the denominators, you get 12. Then you take 3 times 3, which is 9, over there. Then you're going to take 4 times 2, which is 8. Now, 9 minus 8 is 1, and the denominator remains to be 12. So when you subtract 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3, your answer is 1 over 12. Are we together? That is your answer. Let's see the solution for question number 2. Question number 2. Solution. 9, 1 over 2 minus 4, 3 over 5 minus 4, 2 over 5. Sorry. 4, 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5. 4, 2 over 5. Sorry for that. That's 2 over 5. Now, how do we solve this question? 1. You start by subtracting the whole numbers. That is 9 minus 4. What will you get? You'll get 5. You start by subtracting the whole numbers. That is 9 minus 4, and it gives you 5. You come to the fraction 1 over 2 minus 2 over 5. Minus 2 over 5. Now, what did I say you do? 1, make a straight line. So, we want to deal with it in a way that we multiply the denominators. We multiply the denominators. And when we look at the board, what's our denominator? Our denominator is 2 and 5. So 2 times 5, you get 10. You get 10. Then 5 times 1, that is 5. Then 2 times 2, that is 4. What will you get now? You're going to get 1 over 10. But now, because we have a whole number here and a fraction, we combine them to make one simple fraction, which is now, it is going to be 5 as a whole number, 1 over 10. That is our subtraction. That's what you are to do. To solve the question, that's what you are to do. Let's look for another number. Let's say another example. Another example, that is, let me say, example 3. Example 3, please. The example 3 I might give you is maybe 4 over 7 minus 2, 1 over 5. Minus 2, 1 over 5. Solution. Subtract the whole numbers first. What are the two whole numbers in our question? The two whole numbers in our question is 3 and 2. So subtract the whole numbers first. That is 3 minus 2, which gives you 1. Now subtract the fraction. That is 4 over 7 minus 1 over 5. That gives us the denominator, 7 times 5, that is 35. 5 times 4, that is 20. 7 times 1, that is 7. Out there? So what will be your answer? Your answer for this becomes 20 minus 7 is 23, is 13. 13 over 35. And as I said before, now you have your proper fraction and you have your whole number. You combine them to get a one fraction, mixed fraction, which your answer becomes 113 over 35. 113 over 35. Let me check if there is any other example that I need you to think about or to do. Or we do it together. Maybe 4 over 5 minus 2 over 9. Minus 2 over 9. That is our fourth example. Example number 4. That will be, we make a straight line. That is 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 9, 45. You can see. Then we are here. Then we go to next is 9 times. Next is 9 times 4. This one. That is 36. 9 times 4. Then 5 times 2, that is 10. Which gives us 35 minus 10, 26. 35 minus 10, 20, no, 36 minus 10 is 26 over 45. As simple as that, you see? Have you seen that? That we multiply 5 times 9, 5 times 9, 35, 45. 9 times 4, that's 6. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract. There you go. Now let me at least give you some work for the time that you will be at home. Our exercise is this. Number 1, 9 over 10 minus 3 over 7. Number 2, 7, 1 over 2 minus 2, 1 over 4. Number 3, 6 over 7 minus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Then let's see number 4. Number 4, 10, 3 over 4 minus 1, 1 over 2. Please try that work, and after trying, check for correction in the next video that will be talking about this correction and more work on subtraction. After that, we'll see what to do next. I believe you have got something. Cheers. Bye.